Hey, this is Drew, and I'm back with you on a walk around on this Volvo S60. Now, I'll tell you right now, some of you might have this problem. You're going down this road, you're driving along fine, all of a sudden the car just dies. You could die. You know, anybody could smash into you. Matter of fact, this car, we're driving down the street, and all of a sudden the car dies in the middle of the road, no gas pedal, just goes right out, nothing you can do, right? So you pull to the side. What you do is you wait about 3 minutes, turn the car on, drive another 20 miles. You get 20 miles down the road, and all of a sudden the car quits again. And that's what it keeps doing. You just keep doing that. And I had to drive this car over probably about 50 miles doing that because it died. We had to drive it 20 miles, shut it off, wait a few minutes, turn it back on, drive it another 20. So that's what it is. Anyways, well, you want to know what this is. Why is my car doing this? Because it might be happening to you if you have a Volvo S60. And what it is right up here under the hood. I'll show you right where it is. It's this piece right here. Right here. This is the only thing it is. And you can buy one on Amazon for about 20 bucks. I got mine at Napa and mine cost me $100. But you can buy them on Amazon, and all you do is unplug this clip. You unplug one screw from here. You pull this off, gas will come out, so make sure you got a rag underneath it here. And as soon as you pull this out, gas will pour out. But just have the other one already clipped on and ready, and just have it ready. And when you pull the other one out, stick the other one in real quick. It's got a little O-ring that's going to seat back in there and stop the gas. Once it's on there, tighten up that little screw, put this all back together, you're good to go. This car runs perfect. I'm sure the dealer thought he screwed us, and you know, my daughter bought this car and she bought it for her, and I'm sure he thought that he, had one over us on us. But when you do some research and you go on YouTube, you can figure out these things, anything you need to know. Okay? Also, if you ever have a battery problem, make sure you have this in your car, even if you don't have a battery problem, because sometime down the road you might. And if you have one of these, go to any store, any auto parts store, Napa, Walmart, whatever, get one of these and put one of these in your trunk. They can save you a lot of trouble if you ever have a dead battery out there. And the battery right here, you just hook this on, you're good to go. So don't go without one of these. Make sure you have a gas can in your trunk because you can run out of gas. I know, I've been there. But anyways, this is my research on the Volvo S60. And this is a nice car. The only thing is that one piece. So have it fixed. If it goes wrong on you, and you'll have a nice car. Thanks for stopping by. This is Drew.